What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Technical Tuesday. So guys, the excitement is getting to me, eh? Yeah, so I didn't film much of this process. Between work, between YouTube, between everything, I've been super busy. But yeah, today we're gonna finalize what we started on Wednesday, and you guys will know what we were busy with. So guys, in the end I had to hire an engine hoist to try and get the engine back in. To be honest, it was a quick and efficient process, 2.5 hours. Flywheel, clutch, pressure plate, gearbox, mounts, engine back in. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you. Pamela has the engine back in. Now please excuse the dirty car. I know she's very dirty. But yeah, the engine is back in, guys. Got your gearbox mount there, got the mount here at the top, and yeah. So what's left to do? Let me quickly get this thingy here. Yeah, I can't, there's no like bonnet latch, so I have to put this freaking pull stick in every time. But yeah, today's goal is to sort out all the wiring, get like the grounds on here on the starter, and yeah, I know for a fact one of these pipes here at the back has a small crack in it, so I need to fix that, or at least get a replacement, sort out the wiring here, and the fuel lines as well as the water line, the aircon lines, all these nifty gritty sensors, the vacuum hoses. Yeah guys, so that is the goal for today. Get the front cradle back on, get the headlights in, at least try and see if we can get the bumper in. But yeah guys, Pamela has the engine back in. You guys can see how low this car, I know the low light is terrible, but let me get a light here quickly. That was the thing with this car from the beginning. It sits so low, guys. Just look at the sump clearance here. There's barely any clearance, guys. So yeah, the car has lowering springs on it, and from what I know it's got Monroe shocks. I can't remember, it was quite a while ago. So yeah, I want to go the coilover route, but that is part of the future plans. But yeah guys, let's try and get that wiring on today. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to put you guys on numerous time lapse, and I'm going to show you some of the footage I have from Wednesday. The camera's battery died and I just wanted to finish getting the engine installed. So yeah guys, let's see how it goes, and yeah, super excited to get the car back on the road. that was basically the full assembly of the front end and engine and everything on the 1.9 TDI. To be honest, small things left. I'm gonna try and show you guys. I'll put the lights on here. Yes, so what's left to do, let me quickly open up the bonnet here. So I've shown you guys basically it's turbo manifold, the downpipe. I need to still figure out this selector thingy here, and yeah, that's about it, guys. Need to run some coolant flush through here, and hopefully that first start will commence very soon. Still need to do the boost pipes as well, but it's minor things, guys, minor. I'm just so happy to see this car back on its wheels, back with the front end on. We left the lights out because I still need to work on that shifter thingy there, so I don't want too much interference there, but all the sensors are back, everything is back in place, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching another Technical Tuesday. Hopefully in the next one we can figure out that first start. That turbo and everything is stressing me out a bit, including the manifolds and the downpipe and everything is stressing me out a bit, I'll be honest. But yeah, hopefully I can get it sorted soon and we can get that first start going, guys. Cool, thanks for watching another one, guys. If you like the content, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, if you want to have a look at the test drive Thursdays as well, they're right there in the channel. I'll link them up in the end at the video, and yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.